Can I put this on my back with a backpack on? Ah, I can't. Ooh, sketch. Very sketch.
Ah, the backpack. Yeah. Shield, yeah.
I got you. Yeah, it's a backpack. Ah, damn. I'm gonna take it. Fuck it.
Reinforcements on the way.
I want the damage. I called in Alex. Damn it.
No, you could have left them for active bait.
That is true. That is true, shit. How, bro, I have an emancipator, but it's due in 3 minutes. I don't have any kind of orbital or anything, bro.
Destroyer leaving squadron.
Oh, he left. There we go. This is gonna be hell.